Listen and repeat. A. Annoy. Couple. Expect. Mad. Notice. Pretty. Rebel. Shake. I got bored. You can't help it. B. Annoy. To annoy somebody. To annoy grown-ups. To annoy parents. I don't dislike her, but she just annoys me sometimes. It really annoys me when you don't listen to what you're saying. Couple. 1. A couple of friends. A couple of things to discuss. A couple of police officers were standing at the door. 2. A happy couple. A married couple. A newly married couple. My father and mother are a happy couple. Expect. To expect somebody, something. To expect a good mark. To expect a letter. I expect that Lucy will pass her exam. Mad. 1. A mad idea. A mad patient. He went mad and had to be put into a mental hospital. He was mad with pain. You're driving me mad. 2. To be mad about something. My cousins are mad about football. My parents are mad about camping. Notice. To notice somebody, something. She probably won't even notice I'm gone. Nobody really noticed the changes. Did you notice that Mr. Bennett was driving a new car? Pretty. 1. Adjective. A pretty girl. A pretty face. Your little cousin is very pretty. 2. Adverb. Pretty hard. Pretty slow. Your work is pretty good, but it could be better. Rebel. Rebelled. To rebel against somebody, something. It's natural for teenagers to rebel. Liberal parents often leave their children nothing to rebel against. A rebellion. A military rebellion, a teenage rebellion. The castle was destroyed during the rebellion. Shake, shook, shaken. To shake slowly. To be shaking all over. To be shaking like a leaf. To shake with laughter. The girl stood shaking with laughter. To shake hands.
To shake somebody by the hand. When we met, Mr. Johnson shook hands with each of us.
Get bored. Stephen was getting bored with the game. He got pretty bored with her endless complaints. Can't, couldn't help it. You should visit her every day. You can't help it.